The service level is only used to access such parameters as setting the maximum set point for the domestic hot water and for disabling frost protection if required. The service level can be accessed by going through the installer level first. Once in the installer menu, enter the parameter number 9999 and press Set. A 0 will appear in the bottom right hand corner of the display, then use the up key until you reach figure 738 and then press Set. The abbreviation for installer, the letters INST, will change to the abbreviation for service SERV.